Hello and welcome to Geospatial. Today we'll be looking at how to add image to an attribute table. So for us to kickstart this, I have a layout here, the data for a layout for a particular place in Nigeria. So we're going to have a better understanding by the time we digitize this layout. Then we'll be adding the image. Then we will know why we need to add images to a data. Alright, so we'll be starting this video from the very beginning. So we're going to be creating a future class. So I'm going to create a future data set or a future class, a geodatabase, of this. So I'm going to just come up and I'm going to create a geodatabase. Let's use this, and I'm just going to name it, let's leave it like this. I'm not going to rename it. If you want to rename it, just right click and then you click on rename and you can rename it to anything. Okay, so next we're going to create the future class. So we name it layout. Okay, so we can see layout 5. Let's assume that's the name, right? So it's on 32, and here we're going to now put a name. So no name will be in text. Then we're going to put, let's say, owner pics. So this is going to be a picture of who owns a plot of land in this layout. And this is going to be maybe pics of C of O. C of O. This will be, now here we'll be using raster for pictures. Anyway, it's picture, we're going to turn it to raster, right? So let's say we have, maybe there is a building. Maybe not, sometimes if the layout is an existing layout for a long time, they have those that have already been developed. So we want to know the as-built state of it. So building pics. So we have 1, 2, 3 items that require pictures. So if we're done with that, we click on finished. Oh, it's like they don't want us to have more than one. So let's check it out. It's like they only want us to have one. So sorry. So go to new and so we have name and pics, and then we change the picture to raster. Then we'll click on finish. Alright, so I guess they don't want us to have more than one raster, that's more than one image, okay? So now what we're going to do is that we're going to digitize this and we're going to add a picture to it. So to do that, we did part of it yesterday, digitizing, so you're going to still watch. So click on editor and then start editing, and then we click on layout. Okay. So we come to create features. Like I said, if you can see your create feature, you come here. This is your create feature under the editor tool. This is your create feature, and then you click on layout. And oh, sorry, we clicked the wrong layout. The layout down is the right one. So click on this, and then we use polygon tool because this has coordinates. So the coordinate, you click on this one, click on this one, click on this one, and double click on this one. Click on this one, click on this one, click on this one, double click on this one, click on this one. Hope you get the logic. So I'm going to go further and finish up this, then we will get to the next part of the video. So we have officially finished the layout. So let's remove this. So this is our access road. So there's an access road here that gives access to the people living here, and then this road gives access to the people living here and the people living here, and same thing with here, here, and then and so on and so forth. All right, so basically this is a full layout. So now let's assume what we want to do is some of these people already have a house built, or we want to attach the document, maybe CFO or anything that has to do with this. But for this example, let's just get some random pictures. All right, so we'll get the pictures of buildings. All right, like find pictures of building. I'm going to attach them to this. So to do this, while your editor is still on, you right click and then go to properties. Now when you go to properties, you're going to see that under peaks there is an arrow that pointed. So let's reduce this so that we see what we're doing. Alright, so let's keep it like this. So if I do like this, see that the build, this is the one that we have here. So the name of this client, let's assume it is Shemaki, that owns this plot. So now we want to bring in the picture that we use to represent here. So once you click on this place, you come and then right click on here, then you click on load. Then here you're going to navigate to where this picture is. So I'm just going to pick some random pictures from here. So let's assume this is the picture and we add. Then this compression will take it to JPEG. Then we take this to 100. Then we click on OK. So it has been added. So we come here, the second one, which is this one. Then we do the same thing. We right click and then we load. We go, we pick this picture and then we add. We come to the, let's say this one is, and then this one is, I'm just making names up. So you have to click here first. When this box appears, then you right click on it and you click on load. So let's pick. Now if you want to view this picture, you just do like this, you'll see the picture. So anytime you do like this, you see the picture. So I saying pictures are added. Now this picture added to it, like in kind of database. Okay, what's this plan all about? You know the name and then you know how the apartment or whatever looks like. Alright, so let's add a few more. So when we do like this, you see the picture that has been appearing there. So let's add a few more. So you see it, there's an interior. So let's ask the last picture. So I believe with this little example, you understand how to add a picture to attributes. I understand one of the reasons, because there are so many reasons why you need to add a picture to your attribute table or anything you are doing on ArcGIS. So I've given you just one reason for database purpose, for safekeeping. With this data, we'll be able to know that, okay, this is what this place looks like, this is what this land or some parcel looks like, and all that, and who owns it. So these are just two sets of database I've been able to add to this, and I hope this helps you in any way. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Recommend it to someone, and I'll see you in the next video.